Net Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, Eke Nakige Kos, Kiamesa Yamangana Maya. Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi. Amangana maya yechinsai sana biro mwancho muligere lingo kwaligania asegeta sena mbeyamo Yensoko TV elingo manyinga ninkigenda tukabage okorekana gati yali tubegeta maiso asumu basobono no kurobekana kogenda tasumu cyoyo Nairobi ase abaonchorili bali abakaba ke bagenda tekurobekana asikiri bagoteba nga chibango nigo chiabere iguru kenda gutubwatia sense moyo mtandao Ensoko TV asense media ya Facebook Ensoko TV digital nabo igogenda sense moyo ya YouTube tubwatibu Ensoko TV na nomono nyarakaба ukwemanya ninki kigenda tenchengurukwa Innocent Onyango. Chaka sobwa masaba oncholia asumu baromonene nigo bagendete kurobekana asumu cyoyo Nairobi mu basobono asibo igo bagendete ko babakwe murunganilia ogokina gwechibango chimezigo yabo eyo bakonyara ko bakorenta konya gaiga ebikosi byobulendi nigo bire ase chipara eliyo gotingia obulendi omwancho muligeriti aturara ase chibicha ningi kendete kurwa asumu cyoyo Nairobi asumu basoyo bono.
Tunaheshimu sheria, tuko pamoja. Tukiheshimu sheria, nataka tusikizane hivi. Hakuna mtu ataguza mali ya mwingine. Ni kitu ya kwanza. Kitu ya pili, hakuna mtu ataguza mtu mwingine. Ya tatu, hakuna mtu atatusi mwingine. Tuko pamoja. Hii ndio siku ya kutetea haki zetu.
Muligiriti angorusi kurwa se county ya Nairobi na ndengo ire goika asoro ngorwa gusia somoro kyo monebwe skuru yabamura ya Kisi School alimo manokurunga Fred Mugaka asemiri abayibuli kurenda abana babo nakoba talera buya echingakia nene mono aba bagenda se university nigo ayakwanetaya asomo yegabwo ko mwenya mungino kurukwesta kirbo asensemo yakimera
etamwe grade 6 grade 9 and the form 4s abatwale ko boli abayibuli baito tubugaterane asoko make sure atuasira abana baito mbana kuna gwetana na jipara banyore ngamba bwade jinga kibaya para gendo kieke bagosoma. Kisi region is known to produce the best naende ngote amatole asoko lenda abana baito naende baetabuya abana baito baachire university. The first years are now going to university. Please, those are still adolescents. Tuegena ngawono mwano manete bali tuachite university murocha machole bunako ganyera abana bagire for first years. Please make moves and announce whether those boys and girls are still enrolled in school. Let us not force them to be in the courses, but atageti. Nataka jwana medicine erabana batageti kuna abantu chinda na bintu binde batageti nga IT na ko nyoro mwana abugate AI atete ko nakora ICT. Give them an opportunity to do that which they want to do. Nyore nkuwa nako ayenkuwa bete munyagitari tiyo kofusio mwana nga yana rero kombero munyagitari nje na mise. They have their own interests. Let us advise if they insist. Let us give them more the support they require. Otherwise, we want to wish you well.
Tiga twende ase kaunti ya Nyeri asumura ibwense Dr. William Ruto mubasorero araire ugosokigwa kwa abanyanyimbo abayakurwa ase skuru ya maigerio y'abanyanyimbo ya Kiganjo iyo gutuka ase kaunti ya Nyeri buna nagotebye. Dr. Ruto niga basemire abanyanyimbo abu abaya babakubwatia lichiko ekera barabe bakora emirimo yabo igati yabali bakwana somo yegoyo ugosoka kwa abanyanyimbo no mu Inspector General bw'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kanja uyu nero togiri murayibwense aso gonchole anga chinya cha banyanyimbo au banyara koba bagosoka.
The graduating officers will boost the personnel strength in the service. Additionally, Your Excellency, Sir, under Council, the police service has received several modernization investments. Also, the new uniforms for the Kenya Police Service that you have just launched will bring pride, confidence and morale to police officers as they discharge their duties.
Encouragement and prayers that have sustained you throughout this journey. This parade takes place at a significant moment in the constitutional life of our country. Yesterday, we marked 16 years since the promulgation of the Constitution of Kenya 2010. The Constitution established the National Police Service and defined the character of the institution it must become. Article 244 requires the service to pursue the highest standards of professionalism and discipline, prevent corruption, uphold human rights, promote accountability, and foster constructive relations with a wider Kenyan society. Article 238 further declares that national security must be pursued in compliance with the law with the utmost respect.
Chubuligili nandetika tuira nase county ya Nairobi asa menye ba Mukuru Gateway aseseme kurukunga Mukuru Gateway Mall aiga Nairobi na baro barore baranyariko babagwe sokia na korokia okogechi gukwabo asikili bagotebanga nigo montoyo mo oyubwateganga yukwagacha eke Gwanda kiegesi anyariko bakoire nseme ya basi bamenyete nabo igasi banyariko bagotebigunga nigo barachiko bagotagolirwa bamenye abu nigo bamusabira umurayibwense Dr. William Ruto gosonana engane iyo nakobakonya kurwa asumuntu uyu ande kolerande nane nkolerande atwamenyire gekege tambe one kadi gota gutunganya ntubwati astogochi chiri bubere bagotoa njigwisana ne nyumba ya mabati bona gotowa kana chiri busatu akero kwe guchiri bubere iyo ngabuna no bosi abubosi boka wale siringi 150 bona umuntu oyo gutunganya kuruga niga tebinga atagetaga chengo bere mono bwaya bore mobo ntumanye tina ngakiboro bwaya kyara tomenyete nse stima aina ronda atuare onyuwete bobe
ni mimi mmoja wao wa structure owners hapa Gateway. So tumepatwa na shida, bwenyenye mmoja anataka kutupomolea mali hapa, ambapo sisi tumekaa hapa more than 20 years, na chanzo kuu la kutupomolea ni kwa sababu sisi ni wanyonge. Anatuita wanyonge kwa sababu hatuchiwezi. So sisi kama wakaaji wa huku tumekataa kwa sababu sisi hapa tumekaa chini ya stima, hakuna samba ya mwenyewe hapa. So tunaomba serikali ingilia katikati utusaidie. Mr. President, kindly tusaidie. Hapa tunataka kupomolewa sababu hatuchiwezi.
Kwa area ndio hao wakianzia na chief akina Oseko, Gerald, Dani na Moreithi ndio hao wametudharau, wanatuita mende. Wacha nikuonyeshe mende vile nitawafanya. Mende nitawatoa asubuhi. Mr. President sir, sikiza kilio yetu kutoka Ruben.
Mwachumuli tukurukuru senseme yo ya mkuru ni gabon tukwira naso mucho Nairobi asabarai obakora ebyumbe bikwegerera obwene bwa manyabantu nigo bamusabira umurai wense Dr. William Ruto gwetigie mirimo asekeli batebire nigasinyire kora ense ya Kenya ko bwatekana ne katiba yense abarai yabo nigo bakujya kwanetaya chinga kichigoro ekero umurai wense nera ariko bagakora murubeli bwo gucengira imyaka 15 nomo we ekatiba enya korwe nyara ko bagegwetigwa asense ya Kenya.
Tusema leo kama Wakenya hakuna kitu yoyote ambayo tunasherekea kwa Wakenya wanalala njaa kwa sababu ya nani? Ruto. Wakenya wanapigwa kila siku kwa sababu ya nini? Ruto. Wakenya wanaumia kila siku kwa sababu ya Ruto. Kwa hivyo kama hawezi linda maisha ya Wakenya, kama hawezi linda maisha yetu, kama hawezi chunga pesa zetu, tunaomba ajiuzulu. Na akijiuzulu tutafanya uchaguzi kesho. Kuna Wakenya wengi ambao wanataka kugombea kiti cha urais na vitu zingine zote. Tunaweza kuwa na uchaguzi na chagua watu wengine.
This country has gone rogue. Stealing is not enough. They kill at will. They kill, they say they will investigate, nothing happens. And so I'm here to speak for the many that were killed in the cause of freedom. Those who've suffered and been jailed in the cause of freedom. We are here to say, mwisho, it's the end. We want a better country.
We should not even be talking about changing the constitution, because it suits certain classes of people. They want to benefit and earn more, get longer period in parliament so that they can continue to abuse human rights, ignore the citizens that have put them in those positions of power for a longer period, that they feel they have a longer time period to disobey the law and wait for a longer time to come out and try and beguile the people once again.
Ogenda sumura ibwe kiama kia Wiper Patriotic Front Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka nigonera kwane bulitoboro ase kiumbegia IBC wekira nyobo choli bobwato bwasyoku bosyo mwaka w'ekirwera 2022 Kalonzo niga kwaniraya ekero umura ibwe kiama gia DCP rigatheka shagwa konya tararu asense ya Kenya anyara kobaga kororekana gukwanire konda iyo yanyara kobaga kwa egwe company ya teknolojia manyikanita selieta MRU.
Kenyans expect nothing. Kenyans are fed up with stolen elections. Hawezi tena kukubali mambo haya. Kwa hivyo, whatever it is that they are trying to do, I just want to tell you that on the 9th of October, the United Alternative Government has called together with other stakeholders for a consultative forum to ask IBC to explain to the country how prepared they are to hold the next election. And therefore, procurement of election materials and the systems is a key component. I don't want to give the impression I'm entering their space, but they also have a duty to ensure that all the stakeholders are comfortable.
Munyakirogo w'ekiama gia Jubilee kurwa sense moye bunge ya Mwachoge Chache Selieta David Nyabuto nigo aruro kobolia gochia somugusi bwensi kubwatekura asobonge naliaro barache kwena kieganga yaye Mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i kwa bomurai bwense goikirana chinga kichobo choli bolibosyo nigaya kwanira mwanchu muligereri ekera ekitimu gose ebyombe ibigenda takoba bikumuligeri Mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i chikura kurwa sorongo rwagusi bigenda takoba bikona koba bigokora kitaro chebo
Balibons biba kumira na sechinse ma bono abamintu mbamira nde Nairobi igonda tebanga ne kerengere likia ikyagara niko bachagete igo aende na into twins ndo jukumira na ilinde kolete kerengere lyonsi ama tunguseramo ngatiga toba no bomo ilinde tunyala ka batoko toko support the presidential candidate yaito inyala konyole mandate ngi yakurugusi elinde tonyale kogenderera mutu tuchiunge nabande ikyagera muroche chinsemo chinde nabo chigo support president yoito His Excellency Matiang'i na into tonyale ko batokonguseramu naliebisa kubinde biralo lengna kweli ngamotore elinde binyale ko babiko to support igo nche nkunga mukono ase bali banyona nte professional banyona nte Nairobi ane ni manyete ngamba kwate kerengere lyonga ekaro bakore Nairobi nande ngochiunga pale twins nabantu bali kusiga elinde tonyale kutwala common goal yoko support presidential candidate yetu kutakira baminto nga kigababwate chikura ase obonge naende beregister buna members b'ekiama gia party bia Jubilee erinde nari torachikonyola mandate yokoa president yoito Omosiki Matiang'i obosibore bwokonyolekere obo president totaregister ase obonge ndochikonyore problem igo nigo ndaireri bageri kuganeria abantu baminto bonsi mono base bosoti Sengera ward nabo machoge chache constituency ekiagera nche no mpirong'eti ngatiga tobwate chikuri chia sobonge erinde tonyare koba togosupport candidate yaito Omosiki Matiang'i ase okonyora opresident boigo tigamba tebi ng'a igwatakeire bachora omonto bono buna president yaito na omonto okorera amang'ana mange ande boigo bachore gocha ense ase abanto barachi koba bakoreta amagenderero gusii erinde gusii yaito nero enyare koba ense ebwate amagenderero iga abanto barachorwa baya nabo barachi koreta amagenderero gusii yaito erinde nainto tonyare gokina buna chikaunti chinde natonyare kogenderera buna asande
Onchumurigari gwikirabwo twikira mweli obwa mayi echinsa isana bire ase nakumanyire ng'ani nkikendete koba geokorekana kuru chinsemo kwa niaba ya gikosi kionsi ipigia transmission ngwerenelimbuya mono kwa bananchi anda mono litukolia lero nkwerenelia musubati kurunga neli uliogendete nere koba gakobikirwe gutwa ase university ecinsemo chamuranga atware omubasomu ya gekogera egaiga kurwa Sensoko TV semire mabere gakora nabo tukwerenelia ngambuya mono asokonyori gutweyo chinguru